We are now ready to begin final tensioning of the cables. Return to the threaded terminal post and grip the hexagonal shaft of the fitting with a pair of vice grip pliers to keep it from spinning. Tighten the snug grip washer nut with a 7/16 inch wrench to adjust the final tension in the cable. The special snug grip threads prevent the nut from loosening. Be sure to follow the recommended cable tensioning sequence to help minimize stress on the railing frame and easily adjust uniform tension across all of the cables. Start at the center cable and alternate until all cables are tightened. We do not recommend using electric or pneumatic tools to tighten the snug grip washer nuts. If the nuts spin too quickly, there is a risk that the threads will heat up and seize. You may use a Feeney tension gauge to determine when you have tightened the cables enough.